If you have been interested in the field of semantic analysis, then you may have heard about Sriracle, a leading company that has recently made some groundbreaking reveals. Sriracle has shared valuable insights and advancements in the field of semantic analysis, shedding light on the latest trends and techniques. With their in-depth research and expertise, Sriracle has uncovered new and innovative ways of understanding and interpreting language, helping businesses and individuals harness the power of semantic analysis for various applications, whether it's improving customer experience, refining search engine algorithms, or enhancing language processing systems. Sriracle's revelations about semantic analysis have paved the way for transformative developments in the industry. Their discoveries have opened up possibilities for more accurate and efficient semantic analysis, driving progress and innovation in the field. Their commitment to excellence and exploration in semantic analysis has positioned Sriracle as a thought leader in the industry, and their recent reveals have undoubtedly made a significant impact on the way we understand and utilize semantic analysis. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a newcomer to the world of semantic analysis, Sriracle's insights are sure to provide valuable knowledge and inspiration for the future of this dynamic and rapidly evolving field. Keep an eye on Sriracle for more updates and revelations that will continue to shape the landscape of semantic analysis for years to come.